Morning. Yeah, Timothy again. Just a quick vid today. So over towards Holcombe. Now further up near Holcombe Beach. This is Holcombe Beach, not to be confused with Holcombe Beach, which is over by Torquay. You can see there, zoom in, that's the what I call the lazy rock there, just leaning up. There's a needle further out. I've gone around that before in one of my other paddleboard videos, so that was my first video actually I did, so have a look at that. But here, I'm going to go in this little beach here. This is like a little way in. You can't get to this at the moment other than by paddleboard. So there's a little way in there. That would be nice, wouldn't it? It's almost like you can only get there from the sea. Makes it a bit special, doesn't it? Let's go in. Imagine owning your private beach, folks. Imagine that. Well, I can pretend for a little while because I've got a private beach all to myself for about 10 minutes here. It's not bad, is it? So here, folks, that looks back towards Timber. So that's, I think they call it the Ore Stone, something like that. You can correct me if I'm wrong. And Hope Snow's out there in the distance, and I can see Carey Arms and Babacombe, all that sort of area. This is perfect. One thing to be mindful of when you're paddling along here, this bit of wall jutting out, which you can see on the right there. I'll show you a clip of me paddleboarding when I go past that. What happens is, the other side of that, and indeed a little bit later on this side of it, you end up with is the beach. And what happens, the waves come in and they just dissipate their energy on the beach. Where there's a wall, they can't do that, so they ricochet back off the wall. You get backwash. So you've effectively got is you probably can't see it on the video, maybe you can, but you can see, certainly when you're out there, waves going in and waves going out, and for a moment it makes it tricky. So what do you do in those situations? Well, there's a couple of things you can do. 3 things probably. One, you can fall off. 2, you could kneel down. It could be that, make it that much trickier. Or 3, you bend your knees and you put your backside out a little bit. So what you're doing is you're making your whole body be able to flex more. So effectively what you're doing is you're loosening up your suspension. You wouldn't go across bumpy ground with hard suspension on a car. So you can do that. So you need to give your body that chance to flex. That, folks, say it out loud and proud what we've seen there, folks. For all you train enthusiasts out there, that's what we in the trade call GWR, folks. GWR. Read them and weep. better myself.